Hello everyone and welcome to Caroline's Craftery. Today I have a journal to share with you and also a few goodies that I've put in the shop. So we'll go through the journal first. Just move those off to the side. So I used a book cover. It was a fairly new book. I just love the color of the book itself. So I just put some burlap on the spine. The back is just plain. In front, I just wanted to add a little something. So I had this little metal butterfly. Closure is just some burlap twine that I had. If I can... There we go. So on the inside spine, I did a cross stitch. So you get that on the front and on the back, which I really liked how that turned out. So the front cover has a large pocket with a large tag. Everything is backed with tea-dyed paper. I'm going to cut those threads off there. This is some of my tea-dyed doily paper, the real stuff. So, and I used just a variety of digital stuff that I just had in my cupboard that I wanted to use up. So there, it turned out it was kind of a botanical flower theme that happened. So I'll leave a link to the different digital kits that this stuff came from. Here's a pocket. And inside that pocket there is a business card and some small journaling cards. Here's one of the journal checks that I did that came in one of the kits. But I have a kit that's just the journal check and guest checks, just the plain cards. A large tag and an envelope. And inside I just put some folded paper just for extra journaling. Used a wide variety of papers in here and book pages. I did some hand stitching with some lace. Everything's pretty much tea-dyed or printed, one or the other. Dictionary page, it's very old and was kind of fragile, so I just put a piece of paper there to just reinforce it. It's from one of my butterfly kits. Another pocket, and in this pocket there is a journal card, an envelope, and it just has a piece of folded paper in it. One of my pin stitch embroidery tags with the lavender. And another large journaling card. And here is the center. This is the tea-dyed doily paper that's printed. And all the pages that I printed I did back with some kind of print. Here is a large journaling card that I did. Then on this side is one of my denim tags, and it does have a tuck spot. There is a tuck spot behind here. This was one I actually messed up on, so it's a second. There is no tuck spot under the ticket like some of the ones I had, and the ticket's on upside down, but it still looks nice. So here is just a little collage with a couple of envelopes. This is actually from one of my butterfly kits as well. And then in here is a large journaling card, and in this pocket here is a postcard from one of my kits. Lots of room for journaling. I always like leaving lots of journaling room. Here's another tag. And a bag from one of my freebies. This would have been the August freebie. Gladiolas and Paradots. If you check back on some of my videos, I've been doing the freebie digital kit for almost a year now. So you're free to download and use. Some more of the tea-dyed doily paper. And this journal will be in the shop. This is from my digital kit of wallpapers. Quite a few pages in here from my butterfly kits. Another one of those digitals from the wallpaper. This side is just an envelope with collage underneath. And in here there is a journal card. In the middle of the second signature, another pocket full of goodies. There is a label, a journal check, and 2 postcards. Quite a bit of daffodil stuff in from my daffodil love letter kit. Here is another pocket from another one of the freebies. And in there is a postcard and a bookmark that I made. I love how these turned out. Lots of room to still make it your own. Another pocket full of goodies. So there is another label. A tag, one of my inspiration tickets, and another envelope, and again just some scrap paper in there for some extra journaling. I've left all the threads on. All the stitching in this journal is hand stitched. And on the mat cover is a little bag, and in the pocket is just a folded little booklet and just some goodies in here. This bag was actually sent to me, and I cannot remember who sent it. And then I've got my little cloth label there. From the hands of Caroline's Craft Tree. So I hope you like this journal. Now the other goodies that I got. I've made these paper clips. There will be 8 in a set. And the back is using my little calendar digital kit. I'll leave a link to that below. They're all backed with a tea-dyed paper, so you can write on the back. There's just like a little stamp type thing. And then a domino size ticket. I found those online somewhere. I cannot remember. I got them when I first got into junk journaling, so I can't remember where I got it from. And then just a little die cut tag with a word on it. So they would just hang on your page. Clip them on. So they're all different. And I'm going to do, there'll be 2 sets of this. And all the calendars are different on each of the tags. So there's those there. Like I said, there'll be 8 in a set. Then I just did some collage pieces that you can glue onto your page. And these have either a stamp in the middle, and these stamps are from one of my kits, which I made the stamps, or they have one of the small tickets from the vintage ticket digital kit. I've left all the strings on, but you'd be able to cut them off really easy if you choose not to have them. I think there is 14 or 16 of these. Can't quite remember, but that'll be in the description of the listing as well. But they turned out really cute. And then you can just get one and just glue it straight down onto your page, and you'd be done as quick as could be. And this one here, they're kind of the same as the other ones, except I've put on a word and a wax seal. I made the wax seals. These are actual wax seals. And the stitching on these and these are hand done. I very rarely use my machine. So, and there is, I want to say 15 of these. I can't remember. 2, 3, no, only 8. But they turned out really nice. And again, all you got to do is just glue them down on your page and you're done. You could use them on the front or inside your journal. They're not too thick. The thickest part is the wax seal themselves. Just a variety of colors and words. And these will all go in one set. So that's it for my Etsy share today. I hope you like these projects, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Bye for now.